Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to be discussing emperor penguins, as seen in the picture. By me, Eric Ruiz Ochoa. Starting off with some taxonomy, emperor penguins pertain to the domain Eukarya, the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Chordata, class Aves, order Spheniciformes, family Sphenicidae, genus Abdenodites, and the binomial nomenclature name for the species is Abdenodites forsteri. Abdenodites is the collective genus name for the group of penguins known as the great penguins. The name is ancient Greek, meaning without wings diver. Spheniciformes, Sphenicidae, or as they are commonly known as penguins, are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Class Aves are warm-blooded vertebrates who have feathers and are able to lay hard-shelled eggs. Next is habitat and reproduction. The emperor penguin is only found on one location on Earth. Emperor penguins inhabit the great southern continent of Antarctica. These animals become sexually mature around the age of 3 through 6 years old. Around the mating season, through March through April, penguins will start to congregate deeper into Antarctica in these areas known as mating regions or fields, in hopes that they will potentially find a mate. Penguins stay very monogamous during their mating season. When penguins potentially find a mate, they have elaborate behaviors that they perform in order to court the female. Once the female is courted and an egg is produced, the male incubates the egg instead of the female. The female instead leaves for food, and the male stays behind to incubate the egg until it hatches. Adaptations. These emperor penguins have adapted to the harsh Arctic environment. Emperor penguins are the world's deepest diving birds. When the males are taking care of their eggs or young, they can lose drastic amounts of weight since they don't eat till their mother returns when the baby has hatched. To fight against the Arctic environment, male penguins will huddle together with their backs facing the wind's direction to keep warm. According to the National Geographic, once the penguin is warm enough, they will move out towards the edge of the huddle to let others in the pack get warmer towards the middle. Females are able to distinguish their partners by distinct calls. Animal description of the emperor penguin. The emperor penguin is the largest living penguin species, usually as tall as 115 centimeters. They have very dark black backs that help them camouflage when diving into the ocean. They also have bright white bellies that also help them camouflage into their snowy environment. The emperor penguin falls under the near threatened category according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Some things that are advancing the endangerment of this species is global warming, since these birds only live in the continent of Antarctica. Antarctica is almost entirely made up of ice, and with global warming becoming a prominent issue, and as global temperatures rise, their homes melt faster. Penguins are also vulnerable to overfishing of their primary food sources and ecological disasters such as oil spills, pollution such as trash in the ocean, and human encroachment into their nesting areas. Thank you and have a wonderful day.